What do you see, John? Huh? What's he doing? What's he doing, Nuna Tuna? I'm gonna let you out. Let's go see what he's up to. He's got the truck running. Oh, don't tell me anything. What the hell's he doing? Why does he have the truck running? What are you doing?
Going to do a Tarzan swing. No, your brother texted me and said he's got an issue with a tree that he wants me to look at. So every time I got to look at something, we end up cutting it down.
Well, were you going to tell me?
Well, I was just going to go do it. It was going to take a couple minutes.
Yeah, but we could film it.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Hey, you never know what might happen.
Wait,
what do you need that for?
You never know. Good scout, always be prepared. Right? Right to the fish!
So he knows you're coming over?
Yeah. He said when you get a moment,
Can
you
I
can stop over.
Is it alright if I come with you?
Yeah, that's fine. Forgot I had that extension on there. That shit sticks right out of the back of the truck.
Yeah, that's not.
Getting
That's
this thing ready for the car show. Time for this shit.
Hey, you know what?
What?
If you go in the house, you can look to see if that voodoo doll is still on the mantle where he put it.
Why would I go in the house?
Well, what if you
I
want
gotta take a shit or
want a
something?
beer? You have to go to the bathroom, and I can get the pins, and you can put more pins in there.
Yeah, I can figure it out. I can get in there
Huh?
somehow. I can get in there somehow. John, watch your tail.
Let me go in the house and get some.
Back with the baby.
Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on, Johnny. John, come on, babe. Look at him. You gotta love the old man. Look at the baby. Come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Make sure you got a house key.
Don't you? You don't have one on your truck?
I don't have one on my truck ring.
All right. Let's see. Let me go get the needles. Come on, puppies. Good puppies. Good puppies. You gonna be good puppies? We have to close these doors because Mommy's gonna go bye-bye for just a little bit, okay? And he said to grab a house key. Gotta make sure you keep them closed because John's a trickster when it comes to open the doors. There's a house key. Oh shit, maybe it's not. I got these. Okay. All right, be good puppies, okay? Mommy, see you in a little bit. Bye, Johnny.
Why you got a stupid grin on your face?
Huh?
Why you got a big grin?
Because I like this kind of stuff.
Oh, you want to take your
Here,
shoes
you wanna
off?
hold this? Why?
Because I cleaned it in here. Look, it's all spotless
Are
in
you
it.
really?
Except for right here,
Did you
where
take-
somebody puts their clam diggers on the... Look.
That's not from me.
Yeah, it is.
That's
I
a
told you to
scratch.
trim your toenails.
That's a scratch. My toenails aren't trimmed.
Well, they're cutting the vinyl.
Here, look. Put these in
Here,
your pocket.
Why do I need the whole thing?
Well, you can't just put one or two. You're wind up sticking yourself.
Like my leg where I stuck something there. Look at that.
Huh? I know. It does look infected, doesn't it?
It does look infected. Yeah, I'm probably gonna lose it.
Huh?
I'll probably lose it.
It's a little dark in here.
It's tinted glass, but I got the windows up. Now you're putting the windows up.
Well, it's chilly.
Oh my God! The neighbors are back. After I seen all the little kittens and the black cat going in their house because they left the front door open. So
Well, they're there now, so hopefully
well, they're not going to take them ugly ass cats with them. So
Okay.
there's the black cat. There's the 3 kittens.
Let's not just go on and on about the kittens, okay?
I'm
I'm tired of hearing about the cats.
Well, you have your issues. I got my issues. Even though I probably have a lot more issues than you have, right?
Yeah. You could say that again.
So when I was running earlier today, I almost got clipped by a person that, when I was all the way over on the shoulder, and they were on their phone, which you know that torques the shit out of me, that they were coming over across into the shoulder. I walked and got off the road and stood in the grass as they went by me. That's how close they were. If I'd have stuck my hand out, I'd have smacked the freaking mirror.
Yeah, and you know what?
What?
There's a lot of people who
There's
just,
idiots on the road.
They just
Put
go
your
right-
goddamn phone down and drive.
Well, you know
Frig.
what? I'll tell you what. It's a good thing. I know they say to go with the traffic, but it's a good
No,
thing that
yeah,
you walk
they say-
against the
They
traffic.
say they all got freaking hit because they didn't see what was coming at them. That's why.
So
cyclists,
So
I
where is this tree at?
I don't know.
Oh. Huh? Well, he's usually sitting out back. Did you tell him what time you're coming?
I said be over in a few minutes. And like I live 10 miles away, maybe sucking down beers. No, he's not even here.
No. Well, can we go in the back? Oh, so it looks all different back here.
Oh, he's got another door on.
Oh, that looks
He's got tile too.
nice.
Looks pretty good, yeah.
Well, he's been a busy old bee, hasn't
Yeah.
he?
Looks a little uneven though, but.
All right, we'll go to the front. He's got, huh?
Oh, well,
They're the little. I forget what you call it. I'm not weird.
this is
It's
woodcut. You're supposed
decoration.
to have
I got Grogu, and I got some pumpkins, and I got some Halloween gnomes.
Yeah.
You know you would wear them if you had
I
them.
wouldn't wear that shit on my shoes.
Well, you got camouflage Crocs.
Right.
No, you got black Crocs.
I got black Crocs too. Ridgway Tree Service.
Hello.
Dang, that was fast.
I said it'd be a few minutes. It didn't like we're 10 miles away.
All right. Did you see it yet? Well, I can't even look over there. The sun's like right in my eyeball.
Well, you
No,
got the
where
one
is
we
it?
hauled out of here the last time.
Why are you filming?
Because
'Cause
she's just like her son. It has to fill
Well,
everything.
no, it's content, and you're taking a tree down, so.
No, I said come over and check it out to see what we can do with this
But
thing.
every time you say come over and check something out, don't we usually cut it?
Well, yeah, it's
Yeah,
true.
right? So, always be
I'm
prepared.
really not in my tree cutting clothes.
Well, I'm not in tree cutting clothes either.
Anyway,
Oh.
see it? Way back here.
Oh, it's in the driveway.
Yeah, see this angle right here? It didn't used to be this far leaning. When we had wind the last time, it came back over. I always thought when it was going to fall, it wasn't going to come across the driveway, but
Now
looking
you
at
can
it
tell
now,
that shit's coming down.
I think it is going to. There's a
Oh.
lot of poison ivy in there. Matter of fact, I think that's what's wrapped
Yeah, you know what? I don't know if that's a good idea.
Yeah, it
He's
looks
got
like
he's
it
got
split
this
at the trunk.
festering sore on his
Yeah,
leg.
look. I had it drained.
What do you got, the jerpies?
No, I had it drained or tested for MRSA, and they took a foreign object out of it. So I don't know if it was a splinter
Well, you
or
don't.
a big
You
ass
definitely
storm.
don't want to get any poison ivy.
No, he's got one of them rotworms. Remember them rotworms in the rabbits? They come out of the little hole and they're like.
I need Dr. Pimple Popper to go to check that out. Pull something
Anyway,
out.
you see that vine that's around it? I think that's poison ivy.
Yeah, it is.
All right.
Leaves a 3. Let it be.
But anyway,
So
this is what
what are you gonna do?
You got to cut it down.
Oh, it's broken.
Well, that tree's dead. Yeah, I know.
So,
I was going to take this.
So that one should, if it comes down, it should bust those down, bust those limbs.
I know. I just wish it would. Like all I wanted is down, so that I could just.
Do you
cut
think?
It up.
Do you think though it's imminent? Like it's definitely going to come down soon, or do you think that maybe the other
just
trees are going to
can't.
hold it up?
It just can't. I'm telling you, Terry. It was nowhere even close to over this kind of angle.
This is a hard hat area.
It is. I
You
know.
got to get your mail. You got to wear a hard hat.
Well, I have the tree guys coming. They're taking the big pine down because that's too close to the road. I was going to drop this one because this is easy to drop in that way. But now that this one, all of a
Oh,
sudden,
you got a big dead one here.
No, it's not that big. It's not that tall.
What do you mean it's not that
But
big?
it's dead.
Yeah, but I could drop that easy that way.
Right. I don't know about that.
Well,
That
then why
sounds
don't
like
you
that's
just do
leaning this
both of
way.
them at the same time then?
Well, I'm paying the tree guy to do that one.
Well, since they're here, maybe they could.
Throw him an extra 100 or so and say, hey, can you take
Hey,
this
can
tree
I
down?
buy you lunch? Take this tree down.
And by the way, that
Well, it looks
luck
like
with that
it looks
poison
like
ivy.
it's all broken at the bottom, the base.
I was thinking it was leaning towards the road because remember when I was taking that one down to JT's and I
Yeah.
dropped it across English Road and had to block traffic?
well, that's why I had them taking that pine tree down at the end because that one, I'm afraid it might fall
the
towards
wrong way.
towards the road, so they're taking that one down.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to try taking that down or not?
First of all, I'm highly allergic to poison ivy.
Right.
Second of all, I just don't. I think if we cut that down, it's just going to get caught up in that tree.
Well, is there something you can spray on the poison ivy and let it die first, and then
Yeah.
take it
Yeah,
down?
and then
I got plenty of stuff that'll
wait a month.
will kill 3 generations back still.
Well,
It's in a purple can.
it might hang out there for a little bit. You don't know,
But
right?
again, or do you want to wait and just ask the tree guy?
Well, that's what I'm saying. He's coming for that one at the beginning of November.
Right. Yeah, just wait him out then.
So all I'm worried about, and I think really if that falls, it's going to get caught up in that tree, right?
Yeah. It should, because it's almost bent around those two there.
Well, Jeff's got the equipment. He could take it down. Just stay away from the poison ivy.
Oh, that other one it's leaning up against is dead also,
That's
isn't
what I
it?
mean, yeah. So you got that one and that one. It's up against that pine.
Why
and
do I
they
have
caught
so many
between
dead
this
trees
tree and
around
this tree.
here? What's going on?
Well, they're old, Larry.
You
They're
got
old
gypsy
trees.
moths, you got lanternflies, you got black ants, you got everything that's chewing shit out of these woods.
And you got a lot of traffic.
You got pissy neighbors.
Yeah. I don't know what pissy neighbors
Because
have to
they
do
may
with
spray
that.
your shit. You know, and
He brought all his rope too.
I didn't know if we did.
Well, I don't see.
So why don't we'll do it another day then, if you want it out.
Yeah, because the only thing I could think of possibly is, and that's really high up there, if we could throw a rope over it and then kind of pull it.
All right.
I don't think poison ivy's that high. But we could cut the bottom a little bit more.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to do as far as, I guess we wear long pants and go
Well,
in there.
I'll cut the base,
Okay.
and you can just stand on the side and look pretty, like usual.
Yeah. Well, if we could throw, I know.
Or
Actually,
why not? I'll
So
bring
you're
the
gonna
tractor,
do that
we'll throw
now?
it up and it, nah, I didn't go do it tonight. Skid.
Oh.
I don't know how we would throw a rope over top of that because you wouldn't even be able to get it over that without hitting every branch.
All right. Well, here we'll plan on it, just cutting it as high as we can on the base of it, and let you know how they drop.
Yeah, you know what though? Why don't I just have the tree guys take care of it?
You're not being fun.
Yeah, I know.
What
I'm
happened to you?
Well, because
Remember Spider Monkey? You'd have climbed that tree.
I
in
would
your
have
day.
climbed that tree. I would have climbed it just the way
Right,
it was.
right.
Cut that top off. I don't know. I have
All
to
right.
think about it.
Well,
'cause
think
it's like-
about it.
I was just wondering if there's a way that we could have pulled it down safely, but I don't know how we can get up that high.
Right. All right. Think about it.
Did you guys want something to drink or something?
You want some drink? I'll
Yeah.
go for beer.
Is that all you have is beer, Larry?
No, I have. Diana has some of them. What are they called? High noons.
Yeah, I'll take a high noon.
High noon.
What?
What is it? She has different flavors?
Yeah. I don't know what kind they are yet.
Well, I like pretty much all of them.
Oh yeah. Check out my fan mail that I got down there.
Oh yeah, it's kind of dark. Where's your light switch?
There's one over on the left too.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's blinding.
Alright, Tara got peach.
Peach is good.
Oh, that was easy.
Holy cow.
Jeff, you want a lime in yours?
No, I don't do those.
Oh, why? You be too good for lime?
No, they give me heartburn. That's pretty nice though.
Yeah.
Is this fan mail?
Huh?
Is this fan mail?
Yeah.
Both of them?
Yeah. Joe got all kinds of flyer stuff. Kevin hasn't opened up his yet.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, you said you didn't want to.
No, I don't want a lime.
I want to put a lime in there. I want you to try it out.
Oh my gosh, it has
Look at all the
signatures on it and
signatures, too.
everything. Damn, that's nice.
When'd you get this?
What's that?
These pictures.
What pictures?
The ones on your desk from fan mail.
Oh,
That's
I
Larry
got
Boa.
a week ago or so. What the heck did I...
Damn, that's really, really nice.
You see they tried to alter his name on here on your authenticity?
Who?
It's Larry Baca.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, hell yeah, look. 8x10, Larry Baca.
Where?
Look. Look at it. Larry Baca.
It's Boa,
B-O-C-C.
hon.
That's Baca.
It is not.
It is.
As a matter of fact, look, here's his signature right here, right?
Well, his, but the
And there's,
authenticity.
there's a
look.
signed ball right there.
Right, right. Well, let me do a little evaluation here. I like the loop doesn't look the same. That's no, I don't know. I think Larry Baca is the one that certified.
No, he's so full of crap. Larry Baca.
Either way, that's pretty damn nice.
It is. That Seinfeld thing, that picture just threw me for a loop. Because I was like, he